In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a featured vehicles section on your website. So we're going to go into Edit Site. I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of the page here. This is where I'm going to drop in my featured vehicle section. If we go over to the page sections here, we'll go into Auto Dealer and Specials. And I'm just going to take this second one here and drag it right onto the page. Now you can see we have our featured vehicle section here. Currently it's just pulling random vehicles from our inventory. There is a way to select which vehicles go into this section, and I will show you that in another tutorial. You can also edit the text here. Maybe we want to say special vehicles, and just remember to save. And publish when you're done. And we can see it here. And that's all for this tutorial.